All right, all right, all right. So today is Sunday Fun Day. Happy Cinco de Mayo, everybody. Or the 5th awake, or whatever they say. Yesterday was May the 4th. So, anyways, so what's going on? We just got back. We've been down in Oxford, Michigan, then down to Lake Orion, where we bought this. And we met Dell from Dell's Lawn Care. He's going to be mowing taking care of my mom's lawn, her property. Until we sell the house for the next couple months or so. Anyways, yeah, we succumbed to buying the Timemaster just like everybody else. But everybody's just been bragging about how good they are, and we're gonna put it to the test. We don't have that many lawns we're gonna use it on, maybe two. And we have a Troy-Bilt 26-inch that is just too slow and this and that. And so anyways, we bought this at Home Depot. Our local dealership no longer carries Toro. Now they do Snapper. And so they didn't have anything that I really liked. So bought this at Home Depot and down in Lake Orion. It was in stock there. If not, I had to order it and have it shipped. And it was going to take like a week and a half and blah, blah, blah. Anyways, so Scout's going to go ahead and start opening it. And we'll see how long I can make this until he cuts his thumb off. We're going to see how what it's like packaged from Home Depot. Did watch a video the other day where a guy did an unboxing. And seemed pretty easy. Come on, man. Cut it. So anyways, hold on before we open it up all the way. Obviously it says add oil. Discard cardboard bar. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna add oil and stuff, which obviously said something else too about releasing the blue handle. Flip that over, buddy. Let's say release the blue handle till lever to raise and lower the mower. Don't do it yet, Scout. Over the mower in the mowing position. Okay. All right. Remove mower from the carton using the assembled handle. I thought they were gonna say remove it out of the carton before using it. I was like, no kidding. So anyways, this is what it looks like inside. It said take the cardboard out from around the wheels. So that's what this is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they have this cardboard, almost like a cardboard jig. And so there we go. And then I know in the video I watched, the guy just kind of ripped the end of the box or cut it open and got it out of there. Don't do that, Scout. That's what we're gonna do. So we are going to see how it's kind of, all you gotta do is cut that paper right there. And it should. There's just something like that on you. Don't ever do that when you're holding this. You'll end up cutting yourself. That's how we do it. Look at this bad boy. There's a knob laying there. Pull it out a little further so I can pull the cardboard out of the way. Don't thread it on there all the way, just put a little bit because it'll lift that handle up. That's good. That's good. Hold on. Hold on. There you go. Hold on, you gotta loosen that up, and that's gotta twist. So it's, let's see how it's flush, like mine's flush in there. Push it in. Push the knob, no, just push the knob in. Yeah, pull it. Now I'll try it. There you go. Now tighten it. It should suck it in there. So yeah, push on it a little bit as you're doing it so it doesn't break. It's just plastic. I don't know. Do you guys think there's a... tell me, do you think there's a difference between the... Don't worry about the plastic. Just pull that blue handle. Then, you think there's a difference between the Home Depot Timemaster and the one that you would buy at a dealer?